Careful, no, you don't want to eat that. Oh, I heard that trumper. Where did you spring from? Hey, spoke for choice now, are you? Don't forget, favouritism. Yeah, sushi's our babas. Okay. Go watch him. Peter, sushi. No, you've had your food. Come on. No, sushi. Bad boy. Come on, darling. Ugh. Yes, that way. So watch Peter because he keeps trying to eat the cat food. I know you're peeking. Look, at least let him or her have this meal because I haven't been fed for ages. The stray. You're lucky, you get spoilt. Get your hands out the food, Peter. This is the closest we've managed to get to it. You're giving the sad eyes now, are you? Oh. You've just been fed. We're giving the young meow some food because it wants some food. Yeah. You get all the fuss and the love and all the spoilt. You do. Could at least let the cat have this bare meal, innit? Good boy. Not you, Sushi. I'm talking to Sushi, yeah. Oh, you poor thing. A beautiful meow, I like you. They could be so cruel and neglect and leave you out, couldn't they? Hey. Good check on you. But just because I have moved, Sushi, no. Didn't bring you up to be a bully cat, you know. Sushi, I am watching you through the gate. No. Meow. feel better now? Meow. Yeah. Oh, I'm not watching you eat yourself, it's disgusting.